Hey, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back aboard. This is Jake from UND Aerospace, and just another fun fact about this King Air that I'm sitting in right now. In turbine-powered airplanes, not like piston-powered airplanes or in your car, we do not have fuel gauges that tell us how many gallons of fuel that we have. Now, we know from our manuals how many gallons the airplane will hold, but our gauges actually tell us how many pounds of fuel we have. And that's because the weight of the fuel will actually change based off of the temperature of the air, and the density then changes. Now with that, in a turbine-powered airplane, because we're mixing air with the fuel, we talk about burning fuel in terms of pounds of air for how many pounds of fuel we have. And so our fuel gauges will actually show us how many pounds of fuel we have in the airplane. So you can see in this case that left fuel gauge there has about 640 pounds of fuel, and the right fuel gauge that we're looking at has about 720, and then 750 in the right. We know that in this airplane we burn about 600 pounds every hour, and on our avionics at any given time we can see how many pounds of fuel we are burning for each engine, and that gives us an idea of how much fuel we're going to burn to get to our destination, but it also helps us with our fuel planning on how many pounds of fuel we need to load on the airplane. Another fun fact. We'll talk to you soon.